What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So I guess I should do the ChatGPT introduction to how to get optimized. So let me get it up and going, and then I'll show you guys how to do it. So, oftentimes we don't have time to write all this stuff together, right? And just you want to get started with ChatGPT. Do some little stuff to get your process going. Nothing wrong with it. So here's my latest video I did. I had to edit it. One thing to know is you should edit your title of your actual video so that we'll close that. So oh no, I want to cancel upload. Okay, so we'll create a new video. This is your different pages, right? Whatever you do. Let me go. So first, you bring up your Chat GPT. You want to ask, things you want to kind of keep it. You want your description to be like 200 words. You want a nice little title. You might want a pinned comment, and you might want, let's see, SEO tags, right? Typically, it's 500 characters, not including commas. So that's kind of how you want to do it. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna say, here we go. Hey chat, and you guys can pause this, and it's very simple. Chat GPT. I'm creating a tutorial for YouTube about getting started with basics of DaVinci Resolve. Can you create? And you want to create a template, so we're going to say, can you? We'll say create a template. So, can you create for me and store a template sorry, I suck at spelling, to use for future videos. For this template, we want an eye-catching title with SEO keywords, and then we'll say, please provide one title with emojis and one that is SEO friendly. And we usually do that because you might want two titles, one for the shorts, one for the YouTube video, right? Second, we'll ask it to give us a 200-word description. Also provide a 200-word description about the video. Include SEO terms and any keywords that will trigger the algorithm. And we'll spell check it right now, so don't worry about that. So that's going to handle our description. Next is going to be our our tags. Then we want to give us a 500 character SEO tags separated by a comma. Do not include commas as part of the character count. All one in one text. And that's going to give us our SEO tags. What else do we need for the YouTube video? I think that's about. Oh, we want a pinned comment, right? So, also, please provide a pinned comment that will create engagement about the video. And then I just give it a brief description of the video. In this particular video, I go over importing media, cutting media, and exporting media. I also briefly discuss Canva and creating thumbnail templates. And we're pretty much done. We can also tell it to give us a thumbnail ideas. Can you also provide 5 thumbnail title ideas using relevant and SEO terms? So now we've done that. I just typed so fast I don't comments that I don't. And hopefully it'll work. So let's go. Let's check it. So we told it what we want. And it's gonna spit back out, and you guys can pause it and copy all that. Just change it with whatever you're gonna do. So here's the template. There you go. So it gives us the title options. So it gives us one title with like emojis, if that's what you want. And it gives us our very SEO friendly one. It also gives us a description. And it's pretty good. I mean, you can kind of modify it. And it's only a template for you to change stuff, right? Get more personalized. Provides us a 500 character SEOs. And it gives a pinned comment here to try to get you guys engaged. And also it does thumbnail ideas. So here's DaVinci Basics, import card export, easy resolve tutorial, new DaVinci Resolve. Watch this first. Fastest way for beginners guide. It also says generate thumbnail designs. So should we try it? Let's give it a try. Okay. Thumbnail design ideas. It says chapter timestamps too. Interesting. And chapter timestamps. So it's gonna give us. Okay, it just gives us a visual idea. It doesn't actually give the design, right? Oh, and it gives us. Obviously, it doesn't know this. But yeah, so like that's kind of how you would do the script, right? So basically, that's how you do it. Then you can tell it to save the prompt. So we'll tell it, okay, save everything included in this for future prompts. When I ask for a video, I will provide a description, and you will provide all the same information per relevance to that video. So you want to make sure. So it'll tell you, hey, okay, we'll save it. And every time you ask me for a new video, I'll save it. See? So here you go. So now we've created basically a template of how, future videos you can just type in. And we'll test it. So we'll say, okay, so say, okay, thank you. Please provide, we'll just say, provide the prompt for a video about, I don't know, let's just say, well, this video actually, using ChatGPT to generate YouTube SEO information, and what else? Sorry, my information. What else? Descriptions, tags, etc. So that's gonna do that. Here's your full video prompt. There you go. Boom. So now we have a title for this video, which I'll use in there, right? And that's it. You've done. Now you can just copy all this to your YouTube video, and then upload it. So we're gonna do that right now. I'll click on where's the videos? We have streaming video. I believe it's this one. And then I'll show you guys the process. We're gonna change the name. So we'll change the title. We'll use this one here. Oh, well, not this one. We're at the back top over here. So we're just gonna copy this title here. Copy it to here. What does it say? The title's too long. So we'll reduce some of this. We'll copy our description. We'll use a picture we generated in the last video, which is day 3. And then we'll select, I don't have a playlist yet, so we'll do all your little YouTube things. Say no. Say, and then you want your tags, so we're going to come down here to your tags. I'm going to copy them. Hopefully it did it correct. Yeah, there you go. So we're 424. You can probably add a little bit more. And then you don't have to do all this. You can if you want to. People in blogs, you can do that, or you can change it to, yeah, we'll do people in blogs. And oh wait, did we change everything? Yeah, yes, next. And then I do typically from my last video, save, next, public, publish, and you're done. And that's my process. And obviously this helps me a lot because, you know, I'm very busy working and stuff, so I don't have too much time to spend into it. I don't have an editor, I have nothing. So this is how your simple kind of get you guys to push a lot of video outs. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys like this. Let me know how else you guys would do it and what else you guys would do. So see you guys later.